Hello friends, today we learn exam booking process of Databricks. First need to go any browser, then search Webassessor, Databricks, login. Then click on this first website. Then enter your login password here. If you don't know how to create, I already posted video on this. You can refer those videos. Enter your username, then password, login button. Here you need to select your exam language, English. From here you need to select your exam, whichever you want to give. All exam are present here. I'm selecting exam. Please choose your exam date and time below. Here, from here you can schedule your exam. Check the available slots. Select your date, time, terms and agreement. Read carefully, then agree for that. Proceed. Shopping cart. From here we need to do payment for that exam. Order summary. Proceed to payment. There will be two options for pay for that exam. One is credit card, another is voucher. From here you can pay through credit card, and second one is voucher. We provide all types of IT and non-IT voucher. If you needed any type of voucher, you can directly comment on this video. We provide vouchers at affordable cost. All or all vouchers are available. You just need to comment on this video only. Enter voucher code, then apply. Voucher is applied. Here the exam booking is done. You have successfully registered for Databricks certification and data analyst. From here you can also check your exam date 19 December 2025. Thank you so much.